And this is my final configuration. It is, of course, with the 1 1/4 inch overflow plumbing. I'll be running both of these pumps, that Pond Master 7 and the crap Aqueon, I don't know what model it is. But anyway, those two pumps together are 655 gallons an hour measured at the rim of the aquarium. My overflow can handle that, but barely, and it has to run a little more head height than I like. So the Pond Master, the 430 gallon an hour pump, is wide open. The crap Aqueon is valved down a little bit, not too much, but a little. That's the height I like to run my sump at, or I plan to run my sump at. It can run down about 2.5 gallons before the pump starts sucking air, and that's fine because I've got a automatic top off that uses no power and has no parts. I'll show you shortly. So that's the pump configuration. This, I've been taking notes on the glass. That is with the original Schedule 4, or I'm sorry, that's with the original Schedule 40 thick wall PVC. And when I switched to the thin wall, you can see how the water level dropped. Because the thin wall overflow took less head pressure to achieve that flow rate. Interestingly, with both pumps running now, and the crap Aqueon valve down a little bit to what I assume is about 625 gallons an hour, it runs at the same height that the thick wall 1 inch stuff did at only 430 gallons an hour. So that's the difference between a 1 inch Schedule 40 and a 1 1/4 inch Schedule 40. And that's how I'm going to run the 75 gallon tank. I'm done screwing around. If I don't take it in now, I never will. So that's it. The only thing I'm worried about is being able to control my high-tech lighting with my Bluetooth handset made by Samsung, of course. Anyway, I hope some of this made some kind of sense and proved at least a little bit useful.